is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well. Today I'm going to get some cleaning done, so I thought I would share it with you guys. I'm doing a little bit of a clear out for Christmas, so I'm just getting rid of all of the autumn decor really. I'm putting all my pumpkins away, which does make me sad. However, getting all the Christmas stuff out, that is like enough of a consolation to say goodbye to the pumpkins. So I am just going to clean the living room first. I'm using my carpet cleaner in here. I do this quite often, probably more than I should do, but I just feel like it's such a high traffic area, so I like to do the carpets in here, and I like to go over the sofa with the hand tool as well, because the boys just make such a mess. And I say the boys, probably me as well. I'm just going over them with the hand tool. I get my carpet shampoo just off Amazon. I will link it down below. It's really good. It just smells really nice, so it just makes everything really fresh again, and it's just so much easier than having to take all the covers off the sofa and put them in the washing machine, which always worries me. So yeah, I'm just hoovering and cleaning all of the cushion covers. It always drives me mad with my sofa because it looks like there's probably loads of crumbs under there, but a lot of it is just feathers off my cushions, which I really need to change some of them up because it's just like feathers attached to everything. But yeah, I'm just hoovering them all up, cleaning the sofas and putting it all back together nice and neat.
So spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me.
Throughout this video, when I am spraying all the surfaces down, I'm using a combination of the Method rhubarb spray. I do love using that on all surfaces, and then in the kitchen and in my room I think I use the Mrs. Hinch antibacterial spray. I really like that as well. It's like the new winter edition one. I don't go crazy anymore like using tons of different cleaning products all over the house. I feel like there's certain ones that do plenty of jobs, like where you don't have to buy separate cleaning products. I do love the pink stuff. I find that really good for like getting off bits of rust on my bar stools, and I'll use it on the toaster in this video. And I've got some of the Febreze winter edition as well, which I really like the scent of, so I'm just spraying that around the house. But other than that, there's not many different cleaning products that I'm using in this video.
time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure.
So that is the living room, dust free, carpets cleaned, sofa clean and ready for the Christmas tree to make its appearance, which I am so excited to show you. Now into the kitchen that is just always a mess. It is clean for about 10 minutes when I've finished, and then it's just a mess again. It's definitely that room in the house where I can blink and it's just untidy again. So I'm just getting the dishwasher emptied again, removing a lot of this autumn decor that I've got everywhere. I'm just going to put it in this big box. There is absolutely loads of little pumpkins in here. I'm sure I've probably missed a few as well, or I was just thinking about keeping some of them out still, but the amount of Christmas stuff that I've taken out of the loft, I'm sure that there is not going to be any need to keep any pumpkins out because there is that much Christmas decorations to go out everywhere. But yeah, I'm just going to give everything a good wipe down, anti-back everything, clean the floors, just all the usual really.
So high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No us no more. We don't know. No us no more. We don't know. No us no more. We don't know. No us no more. No. We don't know. No us no more. We don't know. No us no more. We don't know. No us no more. No. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No us no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No us no more, we don't know. No us no more, we don't know. No us no more, we don't know. No us no more, no. We don't know. No us no more, we don't know. No us no more, we don't know. No us no more, no. Yeah. Oh, would you call me on my sins? You think that you're under my skin. I just wanna wake up in my bed alone. Oh no, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. I will close my door 'cause I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah. But they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone.
Just gonna put my floor mats on for a quick wash, which I do all the time. I love that I can just chuck them in the washing machine, and then I'm gonna give my toaster a clean. I am a little bit ashamed of this because I completely forgot about it and haven't cleaned it for ages, and look at those crumb trays, absolutely full to the brim. So yeah, that was a little bit overdue, so I'm just getting all the crumbs up. I've also used the pink stuff just on the top to get rid of any burn marks, which works really, really well. Like that pink stuff, it really is, like it says on there, a bit of a miracle cream, isn't it? Like it just works wonders. So I'm just cleaning in the utility room, giving all my cereal boxes a wipe down and all the surfaces. Now I'm going to mop the floors. I'm just using, I either use this mop, I'll use this mop about like once a week, the spin mop. I'm just using some Sif floor cleaner in with that as well. And I'll use that mop about once a week, and then a couple of other times a week I'll use the, I can't remember what it's called, like the flash mop that comes with the wipes that you attach to it. So I'll just go over it a couple of times a week with that as well, because the floor does just get gross, especially this time of year when the dog's in and out and you know it's muddy. And so yeah, I definitely have to mop a lot. I'm just gonna light my autumn candle, this pumpkin shaped candle that I got from B&M for like, you know, the last few times before I'm just all about the Christmas scents. And that is another room done. Then into the hallway, I'm just giving the radiator cover a dusting, taking everything off it. Again, a lot of this stuff is going to be moved soon anyway, because it's going to have all Christmas decorations. I normally have like a garland in here. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to put in the hall this year, but I do like to have stuff as you walk through the door. Like you can see like fairy lights and things as soon as you come in. It's just really welcoming. I'm just going to give the banister and everything a clean as well, because that gets so grubby with the little handprints that go up and down the stairs, and the front door as well.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling.
Then into my bedroom, I have put about a week's worth of clean washing on my bed with the intention of putting it away. I've also, like literally like a teenager, just got all my hair stuff out still from the morning. At least I did make the bed, but yeah, I've got to put all of the washing away. So what I'll tend to do is organise it into everybody's pile and then move to each room with it and just sort of gradually filter through it all until it's eventually all put away. But yeah, it's one of those jobs, isn't it? I hate putting washing away.
Right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this start, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways, but no, can I be the one?
So I'm just using the Mrs. Hinch flash spray on everything in this room. I go over all the mirrors with it, and then I use, I think it was a Windoline window spray on all of the glass, which brought it up really nice and shiny, especially using it with one of the green window cleaning cloths that's like, I don't know what it's made from, but it's supposed to stop you from having smears, and I'm not very good at cleaning windows and glass, so it definitely did work because it's got no smears on it anymore. They're very, very shiny mirrors.
Change the way I love it. Maybe if I try to fix this start, then I could have stayed the night.
to give it a quick hoover. I'm not cleaning the carpets upstairs because I did them not long ago, and yeah, it just doesn't get as dirty on the carpets upstairs as it does downstairs. I also bought myself a new little furry rug, which they sell in Home Bargains, to put in my bedroom because my other one had gone a little bit tatty. And then I'm just Febrezing everywhere. I'm going to light a nice candle, and yeah, it's all lovely and fresh and just really inviting for when I go up to bed and relax.
Like you care for me, you're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight.
Then I'm just going to finish with Dylan and Archie's room. I am so excited to get all the Christmas stuff in here. So I'm not changing their bedding because it is getting changed into the Christmas one like in the next couple of days. Toby's room was really tidy. He's actually getting really good. I don't know whether it'll last, but as he gets older, he's getting quite good at just keeping on top of it. Whereas these two are just getting a little bit messier. But there's just a few things to put away in here. Just putting the uniform that I've got on the radiator there away, tidying their beds up. But this is going to have a complete Candyland transformation soon because I have got the most exciting decorations to go in here. I'm going to put the tree up. I cannot wait.
Like, oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it, 'cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me.
So that is everything that I managed to get done. There was a couple of bits, obviously, a couple of rooms, bathroom and the landing and things that I didn't manage to get done, but I just find it really difficult to find the time to do like the whole house in a day these days. So this was me done. This was me thinking I can't be bothered to clean anymore. I'm going to go put my feet up. But so yeah, I'm going to leave the video here. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you a bit of motivation if that's what you were looking for. I'd absolutely love it if you hit the subscribe button so you could come back again and join me for my next video. I'm going to have absolutely loads of videos coming up until Christmas, like just loads more than usual. I've been filming non-stop behind the scenes, so I'm so excited to get some of those videos out. So it'd be really great if you hit the subscribe button, and yeah, hopefully I'll see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.